A question asked by patients most of the times recently is, when does a hair transplantation make sense? I will answer that question for you right now in this video, so stay tuned. Generally speaking, a hair transplantation makes always sense when you have a certain area on the top of your head that lacks hair, and when you have enough grafts in the donor area which we can use to transplant that area fully. There are two things that could be an obstacle in that case, and that would be if you have a certain disease which influences the hair loss tremendously, and when you don't have enough grafts in the donor area which we can use. These are the two things that could be an obstacle for the hair transplantation. There are two other things that people think would be an obstacle, but it isn't actually, and the first one of them is your age. Your age doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're really young or really old, you can do the hair transplantation in both cases. The second point, the seasons. The seasons don't matter at all. It doesn't matter if you do it in the summer, winter, spring or fall, you will get a great result if you do it at Elithair. Sweating is also not a factor. It doesn't matter if you do it in summer or winter because you will sweat in both seasons, I think. So it doesn't matter actually when you do it, just do it and you will get a great result. The only thing that matters is that you have someone who will be with you after the transplantation, and that is something we offer. We have our own quality management, an own department who will be with you after the transplantation as well, and who will prepare you completely and who will be with you at all times. So we conclude, there's nothing that could stop you from doing a hair transplantation except when you have a certain disease or because of the fact that your donor area doesn't offer the certain amount of grafts that we need to get a full and dense result. So it's really important for you to know that, whether you have enough grafts in your donor area or not. To know that, just send us pictures of your current hair situation. It's completely free and not binding. So just send them to us, we will analyze them for free, and we will tell you whether a hair transplantation makes sense in your case or not. Please stay healthy, stay at home, and until next time. Thank you.